Municipality of San Miguel Leyte, teachers of the San Miguel Central School, alumni, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I am extremely honored to have been elected as the President of the San Miguel Central School Alumni Association for the past year, and allow me at this point to thank everybody for investing to me that responsibility. Not much has been done for the past 1 year because of the so many jobs to attend to, especially for the officers. Though only lately we met to discuss on what we are going to do tonight, the experience you'll be having tonight is a product of series of meetings we have in the past. Homecoming is a wonderful tradition. It becomes an opportunity to come together one more time to see one another and appreciate one another and thank the Lord for the blessings that He has bestowed upon all of our lives. School reunion is a time when we reminisce the era that has made us the successful human beings that we are now. Education was our ticket to a brighter and better world, and probably for most of us, education was the only way out. You know, I don't wish to detract from the importance of this moment. As alumni, we have been a part of this elementary school's illustrious history. Indeed, we all deserve the accolades of our peers, teachers, and other guests who are gathered here tonight. But let us not forget those who cannot be here with us today. If we have our diploma, remember that it is more than just a passport to success. Rather, it is an instrument that we can use to do good, to build a better world not only for ourselves, but for those who are less privileged. There is only one accident in this world, and that is the